Hello everyone. So today I will show you how to change the toner or ink of your Samsung printer. I have Samsung Pro Express model number M3870FD, and it's having monochrome, that means a black and white kind of toner ink. Okay, so let me show you how can we change the toner. Okay, so here in the printer you can see some pause buttons are there. You can press here and your fill door will be open for your printer. Okay, now your door is open. Just hold these items like it is a toner only, right? You have to hold it and just pull out. Okay, it will come out. This is the big kind of toner. You can't imagine, guys, in earlier days old printer having this kind of big toner. Okay, nowadays it's very small, but in the earlier days this printer is quite older. Okay, so this kind of the big toner we have to replace. Okay, so let me show you. I have the another toner, the new toner. I'll be keep it side and bring it the new toner. Okay, and insert it inside like that. Okay, and close the door. Now you will see it will be take some time to check whether the toner is perfect for this printer or not. Yes, ready to copy. Now the green button, that means you are ready to copy. You can use it. Okay, now what I will do, I will do a print of from one of my phone, like it is a Wi-Fi supporting printer. So you can just connect with your phone with the same network of the printer and just give a copy printing for this, and let's see how it is printing. Okay.